Small homes can be cozy, stylish, and comfortable, but the wrong design choices can change everything. A space can quickly feel cramped and overwhelming, especially when every square meter matters. Small interiors need smarter design decisions. Many people make the same interior mistakes. Mistakes that make small homes feel even smaller. But the good news is, they're easy to avoid. Today, we'll break them down one by one. Let's start with the most common one. Oversized furniture is a major problem in small homes. Large sofas may look luxurious, but they dominate space. Bulky furniture blocks movement and flow. It reduces usable floor area instantly. Oversized beds can overwhelm small bedrooms. Big furniture makes rooms feel crowded. The scale simply doesn't match the space. Even beautiful furniture can feel wrong here. Proportion matters more than style. Always match furniture size to room size. Slim furniture profiles work better. Raised legs help create visual openness. Multifunctional furniture saves space. Less bulk means more breathing room. Furniture should support the space, not overpower it. Too much furniture shrinks a room visually. Extra chairs add unnecessary clutter. Side tables can easily pile up. Every item competes for attention. When everything is filled, nothing breathes. Open space is just as important. Crowded rooms feel stressful. Less furniture improves movement. Editing your layout is essential. Ask yourself what you truly need. Remove rarely used pieces. Intentional design always feels bigger. Minimal doesn't mean empty. It means thoughtful and functional. Space improves when clutter is reduced. Dark colors absorb light in small spaces. Too much darkness makes rooms feel closed. Dark walls can shrink visual boundaries. Dark floors reduce brightness. Dark furniture adds visual weight. Combined, they compress the room. Darkness should be used carefully. Balance is the key. Light walls help reflect light. Bright tones expand visual space. Dark accents still add depth. Use contrast intentionally. Let light colors dominate large areas. Save dark tones for details. Balance creates openness. Lighting defines how space feels. One ceiling light is not enough. It creates harsh shadows. Shadows make rooms feel smaller. Flat lighting removes depth. Layered lighting works better. Combine ambient and task lighting. Use floor lamps for warmth. Table lamps add dimension. Wall lights enhance atmosphere. Good lighting creates openness. Bright spaces feel larger. Light guides the eye. Darkness compresses rooms. Lighting can transform small homes. Natural light is extremely valuable. Blocking windows wastes free brightness. Heavy curtains block daylight. Dark blinds reduce openness. Furniture in front of windows is a mistake. Sunlight visually expands space. Rooms feel bigger when light flows. Sheer curtains work best. Light fabrics feel airy. Keep windows clear. Let daylight fill the room. Bright interiors feel open. Darkness creates confinement. Natural light enhances comfort. Always protect your windows. Clutter instantly shrinks a space. Too many items overwhelm the eye. Tables covered in decor feel busy. Shelves packed with objects feel heavy. Visual noise reduces calm. Small spaces need clarity. Clean surfaces feel spacious. Display fewer items. Group decor intentionally. Hidden storage is essential. Less clutter improves flow. Open surfaces reflect light. Simplicity creates balance. Calm spaces feel larger. Clutter steals space. Vertical space is often forgotten. Storage stays too low. Floors become crowded. Walls remain empty. Vertical storage saves floor area. Tall shelves lift the eye. Wall cabinets create height. Hooks add function. Height creates openness. Vertical lines raise ceilings visually. Smart storage feels intentional. Walls should work harder. Balance is still important. Avoid overcrowding walls. Vertical design expands space. Patterns add personality. But too many cause chaos. Busy visuals overwhelm small spaces. Competing patterns shrink rooms. Bold rugs demand attention. Patterned walls dominate space. Mixed patterns confuse the eye. Simplicity restores calm. Choose one main pattern. Keep others neutral. Harmony feels spacious. Visual calm expands rooms. Less contrast improves flow. Balance texture and tone. Simplicity always wins. Ceilings affect spatial perception. Dark ceilings feel lower. Heavy fixtures compress space. Low-hanging lights reduce height. Vertical space feels squeezed. Light ceilings feel taller. Simple fixtures work best. Upward lighting lifts rooms. Vertical lines add height. Keep overhead design minimal. Let ceilings breathe. Height creates comfort. Avoid visual weight above. Lightness expands rooms. Ceilings should feel open. Layout controls movement. Poor flow creates discomfort. Blocked paths feel tight. Furniture placement matters. Walkways should stay clear. Movement should feel natural. Tight paths feel stressful. Open flow improves comfort. Rearranging can help instantly. Remove obstacles. Prioritize circulation. Clear paths feel spacious. Good flow improves usability. Layout defines experience. Flow makes rooms livable. Small homes can feel spacious. Smart design makes the difference. Avoiding mistakes is the first step. Light improves openness. Scale brings balance. Function supports comfort. Minimalism improves clarity. Intentional choices matter. Small spaces need smart thinking. Design should serve daily life. Space is about feeling, not size. Even small homes can feel open. Good design changes everything. Use your space wisely. Design with purpose. Small homes deserve great design. Thank you for watching.